Hi guys, so we've got a Toyota IQ here that we've done a audio upgrade with. So we've done a Kenwood wireless CarPlay screen, we've done some Audison front components, Audison rear components, and an Eaton under boot floor subwoofer we've done in this, so we've hidden it well. I'll show you what we've done because it's really cool upgrade. Cool little car, plays loud as hell because it's something really tiny this, so you're really immersive sound in here, but I'll show you what we've done now. Okay, so we're now inside the vehicle. As you can see, it's a really funky looking layout in this vehicle. There's your doors, so your woofers in the bottoms of the doors and the tweeters there. Funky cool steering wheel on here as well, and that's the other door, so you can see the layout probably a little bit better there. This is the star of the show. So this is the Kenwood wireless system. I'll just close the door so we lose the beeps. So this is the system there. Works with the existing steering wheel controls. Obviously this has got, as you can see there, it's got DAB. We've got the facility for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and telephone. If we go onto the normal menu, we've got the layout there. So this has got the facility to have cameras, inputs, front camera, rear camera, Bluetooth calls, Bluetooth streaming, USB, AM, FM radio, digital DAB radio. But this really is a fantastic looking unit. And as you can see there, it fits lovely in that dashboard. So for further information on upgrading your system, give the specialists at Source a call on 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching.